Hello everyone, I'm the Legalorian, and today we're going to be reviewing the Savi's Workshop Peace and Justice lightsaber. So we can look at it right here. Got some nice pieces combined, are designed to look similar to Anakin Skywalker's second lightsaber. I'll throw up a picture of what all the other pieces look like. You can see them all right here. For the hilt, start down here actually. It's the exact same about the other review that I did. Click right here if you would like to see that. We've got this pommel, which is a piece. This grip section, which is a piece. The switch, which is two separate pieces. This grip section is a piece. And the emitter is a piece. So if we come down here at the pommel, we have, as you can see right there, these are the vents for sound. This is a D-ring that we can just pull right out. That's how that will look. It's not going to bend in on you, so you can just keep it. And the Disney belt clip has a piece for that. This metal piece right here, you can just flip that down. And then you can either push it in, or you can just go like this. Push it in, and hook. Now, if you were actually wearing the belt, it would be a lot faster. It's got room to bend around and to walk with, and to get it off you could just push down, pull out, and this piece can be stored either on left side or the right side. That's pretty much it for the D-ring, so you can just close that up. So for the pommel, we've got these nice black detail pieces along with the silver chrome. Up here, for this handle piece, there's this nice copper ring headed around, and the grip sections, which are actually not plastic, it's more so like a kind of rubber when you're feeling it. So you can grip, and it feels kind of nice inside the hand. There's a bunch of them all the way around. The grip section is... it's got this nice line. It feels pretty good in the hand. The emitter itself is sort of in a control box position, but it doesn't raise that far above the edge of the handle, so when you have your hand on it, it does not bother you at all. Have this nice black switch, and as you can see, it's fitting perfectly inside the middle. So you can just flip this up, and you'll obviously get the zapping sound. If you come over here, we have these metal sections with the black in between. There's this black section with the two brass dots that we see so often in Star Wars. They're not sharp or anything. They're lying pretty flush, so when you have your hand on everything, you can't feel it. And it's on both sides, so you can just pull it around. And then up here, there's this little ring guard around the emitter. It's not that thick, so you could put your hand over it and it wouldn't really bother you, but it also provides a good stopping point for your hand. It is made to resemble Skywalker saber up here with its shroud cover that comes around into the bunny ears. And then there's this nice black and copper piece right here, and we got the inside of the hilt, so you can just see it's the exact same as the other hilt. To access the kyber crystal, you can grab right here and turn this piece. If you're facing like this, it'd be to the left. Facing like this to the switch, it would be to the right. And then this piece will go to the left. Now with those apart, just remove the switches. And we have the kyber crystal, which can be removed. And you got the empty section like that. And it can go right back in. You can see that it's glowing right there. Check out my other Savi's Workshop video to hear what all the kyber crystals do. I'm just going to put the switch covers right back on, and screw these pieces back together. I'm going to go ahead and get the blade in, but again, everything sounds the exact same, so nothing will really change. If you want to know, this is a 26-inch blade that I'm using, as I'm trying to get the shortest blade possible so I can have as much movement at my limited range of desk. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So swings all the same. So through clashes. And we'll deactivate it. For all of y'all who want to get this hilt and the other Savi hilt that I put out, you can no longer buy these pieces unless you get them off eBay, because Disney has rearranged all their pieces and got new ones. I'll throw up a picture of what that looks like. So as you can see, all the pieces have changed. They're still using the regular inside section. This is what is the inside piece of this and of the V2 version. So it's got the same connector, sound ventilation, battery. Push in and turn your battery pack. Remove it. And you can just slide this piece right back in and turn it to lock into place. So it's pretty much, it's the exact same core for the V1 and the V2, but the outside shell pieces are different. So if you bought V2 version, you could remove all the pieces and strip it back down to this core, buy some of the V1 pieces, and you could put them on this core. Same thing for vice versa if you got V1 and wanted V2 pieces. But you cannot buy the pieces separately at Disney. You will have to buy them separately off some sort of eBay shop. But that's about it for this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm the Legolorian, signing off.